In this video, I show you how to customize the lock screen on your iPhone like a pro. Basically, you know how to change the wallpapers, but apart from that, there are more settings we can change to take our lock screen customization to next level. To do this, open settings on your iPhone, then scroll down and select wallpaper. Now you can add the wallpapers for lock screen or the home screen, like separately it is showing. This thing I think most of you guys know. But if you click on the lock screen wallpaper, below you can see more options called layers. By selecting on this, you will get a depth effect. You can enable or disable it. I will show you what it looks like. This is a photo that I have taken from this mobile and I am applying it as a lock screen wallpaper. Now you can enable or disable the motion in the photos. Not only that, even you can crop the photos as you like. And not only that, we can change the background for the photo as well. This is crazy customization. Even if you want, you can extend the wallpaper also. Like I showed before, you can enable or disable the depth effect as well. When it comes to the home screen, you can change the gradient color. If you want, you can change the photo or increase or decrease the blur effect as well. So these are the things I noticed while customizing the wallpapers on lock screen and home screen. So this is how you also can do the customizations for your wallpaper, and don't forget to comment below whether you know these features or not. I hope this video is helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to click that like button and also subscribe to this channel for more amazing tips and tricks followed by gadget reviews, mobile reviews and more. Thank you so much in advance for your support.